Mayong hapon sa tanan. I want to share this to all the mochi lovers. Mochi mochi! Yummy yummy mochi! I went to the grocery and look what I found. Mochi! And meron silang tatlong flavor. This one is vanilla cream. It's yummy. I like it. And the other one is, the second is strawberry cheesecake. Strawberry cheesecake. Third is, da-da-da, matcha. Green tea. So, actually, binuksan ko na yung tatlo. Trinay ko talaga lahat sila. And ito yung pinakagusto ko sa lahat. Try nyo na, you won't regret.